Good morning, Tower. Gulfstream 1440 on the visual for runway 3.
Gulfstream 1440, Scottsdale Tower, runway 3, clear to land, number 1.
Clear to land, runway 3, Gulfstream 1440.
Cessna 9 Lima Alpha, number 2, following the Gulfstream, runway 3, clear to go.
Following the Gulfstream for touch and go on runway 3, 719 Lima Alpha.
Cessna 2 Lima Alpha, traffic off your left wing is a Cessna making a right 360. They're going to rejoin the downwind.
Looking for traffic, 2 Lima Alpha.
November 440, safe parking. Gulfstream 1440, turn left next taxiway, taxi to Jet via Alpha, monitor ground point 6, have a good one.
Jet via Alpha, monitor point 6, Gulfstream 1440.
Repeat on May 33 Lima Charlie, just awaiting that IFR release number 1. Taxi 1247 Scottsdale ground, taxi Alpha and hold short of Alpha. Aviator 16, pre-change group, have a safe flight.
Change approved, thanks, Aviator 16.
Saratoga 24 Whiskey, pre-change group, have a safe flight.
Whiskey 2 change approved, 84 Whiskey, thank you, have a good day. 719 now, this next round will be a full stop.
Cessna 9 Lima Alpha, roger. On this one, make right close traffic.
Right close traffic, 719 Lima Alpha. Downward Challenger 70 Romeo Lima, Meridian sequence at runway 3.
Challenger 70 Romeo Lima, Scottsdale, roger, waiting IFR release number 2.
Scottsdale Formation Delta current, altimeter 3012, wind 030 at 4. Gulfstream 1440, Scottsdale Tower, you guys up and ready? Gulfstream 440, runway 3, clear for takeoff.
Scottsdale Tower, hello, good morning, Jet 43, visual 3.
Charlie 43, Scottsdale Tower, good morning, runway 3, clear to land.
Roger, land 3, Jet 43.
Thanks for the 984, if you're able to keep your speed up, I have the traffic inbound behind you.
Keep the speed up, 984.
Gulfstream 440, contact Phoenix departure, good day.
Austin departure, Gulfstream 1440, good day.
Charlie 43, turn left, taxi to Ross via Alpha, monitor ground point 6, good day.
Like I said, off here, going to ground, going to Ross,